My name's Michelle Thompson, and I'm retired. I used to work for the president of a large insurance company, and I've been retired for about 11 years. And I started going to the gym, and that's where I was introduced to block therapy. I completed the 90-day challenge, and I managed to do it all. I was quite surprised because when I started it, I didn't know if I'd be able to do it all because we were going to be traveling, but I managed to do it, and I'm really happy about that. I have a really bad back, and I was hoping that it would help my back. And about a month into the program, using the program from Deanna's program, as well as going to the gym where they teach it, I could make the bed. That was so exciting for me to get up one morning and say to my husband, I actually got out of bed without crawling, and I can make the bed. And that was pretty exciting. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it was pretty important for me. My back is a huge issue, and doing block therapy has really helped my back. I know I have scoliosis, and I didn't realize how crooked I was until I saw all those pictures. So I'm hoping that by next year at this time, that maybe my back will straighten out like that little Zenon guy who amazes everybody, I'm sure. I found it difficult I'm a golfer, and I found it difficult to golf this year because it was so sore, and I had to ride a cart, which I'd never done before. And once I was into the block therapy for a month or 6 weeks, I was able to start walking on the golf course again. So that was a huge improvement as well. I feel that my torso is a bit longer. I feel that I have a better posture. That's the changes that I feel. I had so much difficulty getting out of bed. Not only can I make the bed, but I could hardly get out of bed. I was crawling to get out of bed until I started doing block therapy. And I felt like I had more energy, and I just feel better. I just think it's such a wonderful program to do. It's so easy. You just have to get those blocks out, and you can do it without using the videos, because after a while you kind of learn what to do. I would probably have a really sore back, and I do have other aches and pains like everybody else, but when I was a couple of weeks ago, I was really having difficulty sleeping because I had such a sore hip, and I was worried it was my hip. And so I emailed Deanna to ask her if I could meet with her when I go back to Winnipeg. And she said, please send me some pictures. And she looked at the pictures, and I was amazed that she could see from those photos that it was the fascia on my left leg around my knee that was bothering my right hip. I was amazed at how she can tell these things. And then she gave me a bunch of classes to do to work on. And then, so I don't have that pain at night anymore, very rarely. I've tried to recruit so many people to do it. And I think the best thing to do is just tell people the success that I've had and not push them. And my daughter joined block therapy 2 weeks ago. She bought the whole program. I was so happy to hear that. And it's not because I ever told her to do it. It's because I just talked about how successful it was for me and how much I enjoyed it. And I think that and I would tell people that it has saved my back. It really has. And it has saved a lot of people's backs, I'm sure.